going faster or slower?
Okay. Oh, I just...
So now it's going to do the threading. And so we had a guy out there.
That's it, record again. Can you do, I don't know if I got a tool change on that. Can you do it?
Yeah, let's
Rotate the turret? Not tool change, so rotate the turret.
just rotate the turret.
Yeah. Okay.
Now it goes in reverse.
Alright. And it's got coolant, but you emptied it right now, so there's no coolant in there, but the coolant does work.
Let's pump on. So we got the pump on.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And then, what does the spindle go up to?
I can dump water in there if you want.
Yeah, no, that's fine. What's the RPMs on this? Okay.
I got it 2,500 right now. I got it locked.
A safety switch?
I got it locked.
Okay. Okay, that's the machine.